Hi, this is Shanna Borman here with straight talk and honest advice about family law here in the Brazos Valley with another installment here today about these new discovery rules. But today I really want to talk to you more about why these discovery rules matter, and maybe even more granular, why discovery matters at all, or why it should matter to you. First thing you need to understand when we're talking about discovery is that I know it's not fun, and I understand that it's kind of a pain. But if we don't engage in these discovery processes, we, meaning I, can't protect you. I won't know all the information about the assets that you may have in your divorce case, or I may not know all the possible witnesses or information the other side has in your custody case. And if I don't have that information, that means you don't have that information. If you don't have that information, we, you and I, can't make decisions that are in your best interests. There's no way that anyone can make a decision in their own best interest without having all of the information available. Now, the second reason that it's really important for us to engage in this discovery process is that you may think that you have an agreement and you may think that everything will work out. But what if it doesn't? What if it doesn't work out? What if your agreement falls through and we've done nothing? I had a case one time where all along we engaged in discovery, we did the exchanges of information, but my client was convinced by her husband that they were going to reconcile. Convinced. They were still intimate. They were going on dates. Everything was as though they were getting back together until we got right to the trial date. And the week before trial, I called the other lawyer and I said, "Hey, are we even going to court? They're getting back together." And he said, "Oh no, my client's convinced. We're ready for trial. We're prepared." And so that left my client in a position of then having to get her mind around actually divorcing the man that she'd been dating while the case had been pending. So not everything is always as it seems. So if it falls through, I want to be prepared for you to be able to support you and help guide you through the process. Now, the third reason discovery is important for you is that if we don't produce the information, that is, if we don't provide the document, if we don't identify the witness, if we don't provide the videotape or the photograph, we cannot give it to the court to see. We can't admit it at trial. What could be worse than having that piece of evidence that really makes a difference for you in your case, for you to win or lose, and then not being able to admit that piece of evidence because we didn't provide it to the other side? We must be thorough. We must be complete. We must protect you. That's our job. It's why you hired us. It's what we're really good at. So let us do it. So hopefully this video helps explain to you why the discovery process is important at all. I know it's expensive and time consuming and really exhausting. And I know you may really feel like somebody's pulling your teeth, but we are here to help guide you through it. We're here every step of the way to help you understand why we need it and what we need. We'll listen to you, your questions, and what you know so that we can get you to the other side of this. There is a happy ever after out there, and we're here to get you to it. So give us a call and let us help.